Ahead on Arizona Nightly News, there is now one same-sex couple whose marriage is legal here in Arizona. What a new court decision means for this couple, the thousands of others waiting to get married, and the state's ban on same-sex marriage. That's tonight on Arizona Nightly News.
From 12 News, this is Arizona Nightly News.
There are still thousands of couples here in Arizona who still lack the freedom to marry the person they love.
There is now one same-sex couple whose marriage is legal in Arizona. What a new court decision means. Plus, who was the controversial speaker at the Maricopa County Attorney's staff training? And banned on Facebook.
I was really hurt, actually. I mean, I kind of cried. I mean, he's my son.
See Facebook's $10,000 mistake. There is now one same-sex couple whose marriage is legal in Arizona. What a new court decision means. Plus, who is the controversial speaker at the Maricopa County Attorney's staff training? We will have that for you coming up. But first, Fred McGuire and George Martinez were together 45 years until George died of pancreatic cancer last month. Yesterday, their marriage was not legal in Arizona. Tonight, it is. A federal judge has issued an emergency order requiring Arizona to recognize the Green Valley couple's marriage. Jeremy Zegas with Why Marriage Matters Arizona says people aren't asking for special rights.
People are simply asking to have their relationships respected and to have the same freedom that everyone else has. So this decision means that Fred McGuire will be able to have his spouse, George Martinez, recognized as such on Mr. Martinez's death certificate.
Fred says George would be very proud of him being there today. Attorney Will Knight was at the hearing today. Will, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We know this was a very special case. The order only applies to Fred and his partner, not to any other Arizona couples. So what does this mean for Arizona?
What this means is that Judge Sedgwick has decided that the 33 Arizonans who are challenging Arizona's same-sex marriage laws are likely to succeed at the end of these lawsuits.
Okay, so based on where things are with the U.S. Court of Appeals, then what needs to happen in order for same-sex marriages to become legal in Arizona?
Well, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has some appellate cases before it, but they aren't Arizona cases. Although a decision in the Ninth Circuit may have an impact on Arizona when it's issued, all Arizona needs is for Judge Sedgwick to decide on the cases before him today.
All right, Will, thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate your time.